Question 14 of the JAMB 2019 mathematics exam, that's your UTME CBT exam. It says if y varies directly as what the square root of n and y is equal to 4 when n is equal to 4. Okay, find y when n is equal to 1 whole number 7 over what 9. Okay, so this is variation and it says y varies directly. Okay, so y varies directly to the square root of what n. Okay, so this is what varying what directly. Okay, and y is equal to 4 when n is equal to 4. When they give us this, it means we have to find our constant k. Okay, if you don't know much about variation, there's a video on the DTW channel that explains variation, so check out that introduction. I think the playlist introduction to maths topics. Okay, so from here, what do we have? We have what y is equal to, introducing our constant to introduce our equal to sign, is equal to what k root n. Okay, so from here, to get our value of our constants, we'll put in our value y is equal to 4 and n is equal to 4 into this equation to get k. Okay, so in doing that, what is y? Y is what 4 is equal to what k root n is what 4. Okay, so we have 4 equal to, what is the square root of 4? That will give us a 2. Okay, and 2 times k will be what 2k. So to look for k, we divide both sides by 2. So k, this will cancel out, and 4 into 2 is 2, so k is equal to what? 2. Now the question says find y when n is equal to 1 whole number 7 over 9. So in converting this mixed fraction to an improper fraction, how do we do it? 9 times 1 is what? 9, and 9 plus 7, that will give us what? A 16 over 9. Okay, so n is equal to what? 16 over 9. So from here, to get our y, we'll put into this equation here. Okay, as we know our k as what? 2. So we have y is equal to our k, which is what? 2, and our value for n, which is what? The square root of what? 16 over 9. And what is the square root of 16 over 9? That will give us what? The square of 4. It's like saying square root of 16 then over square root of what? 9. Is that not it? So we have what? 2. What is square root of 16? That is what? Times 4, and over square root of 9 is what? 3. So what are we left with? We're left with what? 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 8 over 3. So y is what? 8 over 3. And our right option here is option C.